To crop an image, you need to use the crop tool. As you can see here, you're cropping the image based on image ratio. Now, let's undo this and go back to the crop tool. If you want to switch from horizontal to vertical while keeping the same aspect ratio, click the Swap H and W button. This maintains the ratio but changes the orientation from horizontal to vertical. Now click the Crop button and your image will be cropped. Let's undo it again and go back to the crop settings. You'll notice that Get Image Ratio is checked. If you uncheck it, it shows a 1:1 ratio. You can crop the image in any ratio you want now. If we click the Crop button now, you'll see the image is being cropped in a 1:1 ratio. Fixed ratio is currently checked. If you uncheck it, you can freely crop the image in any custom ratio. Now, click the Crop button again, and the image will be cropped.